Hello viewers. Today we will see how to use recovery mode to frustrate SSD on Apple Silicon M1. By default, you can frustrate SSD from disk utility. But if you got error or your Mac does not booting or running very slow, you can try it from recovery mode. It might help you to fix the issues on SSD. Let's see. First, power off your Mac. If you are unable to do it due to system crash, then hold down the power button for 10 seconds and wait for another 10 seconds. Now press and hold the power button again until the startup disk and option appear. Then release power button. Now click option and continue. Here if you have multiple bootable volume, select volume, then next. Click on user, then next. Type password to continue. Now from recovery window, disk utility and continue. Here from view option, show all devices. Now select each and every items from the list, then click on fast trade and run. Hope it is help you to fix your SSD issues if you have any. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.